Welcome, guys. Greetings. Good day, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Happy, what is it, Wednesday. How are you doing? How's your time? What's up, everyone? Release the Scrembo. Well, here we go. Here we go. Here we go, guys. Let's go. Good morning, good day, good afternoon. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Look at that PNL. We had a breakout here. Someone used to say that the old-fashioned trending lines are no longer needed. Well, look at that one. Oh, boom. Oh my gosh. It's quite hot here. Oh yeah. It's not working. Good morning, good day. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Appreciate it. Time to share the presentation, the live stream, pretty much in all the trading groups. Time to invite people. Well. We had a trending breakout here of the PNL. Even the PNL is rating by technicals. What's happening for this month? Well, we had a $27,000 start off and a $293 yesterday. Oh, if you look at a daily on the Nasdaq. But let me first share the presentation, guys. Let me first invite people. You want to do the same thing. All the trading groups, pretty much everywhere. Pretty much everywhere. Yeah. Discord, Telegram, WhatsApp, all the groups you know of traders, make sure to invite them. And make sure to sign up the formula, guys. We're doing the giveaways randomly during the stream. $300,000 sign up. Thank you. Well, what we can see about this wild recovery, we're actually dealing with 27,200s all the way to 29,900s. 2,700 points. In a such fashion that is not really explicable. Not having a continuation way above 31,000 is extremely less likely. Unless we get something crazy externally. Something wild, which is not predictable at this very moment. Something that's gonna change the way the whole economic situation, political, security, and technological situation sits at this very moment. Oh, so you lost your 50K. Sorry to hear that, buddy. Better luck next time. Better luck next time. Let's have our little indicators up here. By the way, in our Discord, we posted the indicators I'm using, guys. We have a new tab here. Look at that, guys. In our Discord, we have a new tab, My Indicators. And I listed all of them that I'm using for live stream scalping. All of them are here. All these ones that I'm using are free. Here's the link for our Discord community. What are we going to trade today? Well, as usually, our Lucid accounts. Lucid Daily, the one we made a lot of money yesterday, and I'm so happy about it. We are above the buffer, and we can request our payout, guys. Haven't requested anything yet. But I am planning to smash $5,000 for my first bout on Lucid Daily. What do you guys think about? On a single account, 5 grand, because we don't have target, we don't have a cap, we don't have consistency, right? So for Lucid, which is still running on huge discount, Scrembo code is delivering the maximum existent at any point. Good morning, good day. I got a few evaluations as well, but our 150,000 Lucid Daily is sitting in a very comfortable situation. The one we made money yesterday, and it was a hell of a day, guys. Hell of a day. We've been fighting with the intraday a big time. Then we also made a lot of money on our Blusky 200k static. A ton of money went there. We're not able to take anything out at the moment, but we're 6,424 bucks in the balance, right? So we made a ton yesterday. We also made a ton on our FundedSeat instant funding Bolt second cycle. We're having 105. We're having a good time here, but our main objective today, along with the Lucid account, is the FundedSeat Ultra. The FundedSeat Ultra, which is no consistency, no cap. You can cash out $100,000 before going live. End of the day drawdown, no intraday at all, right? So for FundedSeat, here you go, the link, guys. We're trading 100k. Customizable on consistency and drawdown. Sizing. It's all great. Time to fix the green tea and buckle up. Yeah. We're gonna trade all these accounts. Nicely and slowly, guys. Nicely and slowly. Make sure to like the video and be ready for the giveaways. Right? We're doing them randomly, so you gotta be ready. Complete the form and 4 below and get ready. I'm gonna short it. 25 contracts in both Blusky and FundedSeat. Testing the waters here. Testing the waters, and I'm opening my quant tower. So I'm extremely happy, guys, with my Lucid Daily. I am static drawdown. Static drawdown because we are above the buffer. Good morning, good day. Welcome, everyone. Good day, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Appreciate it. Feel free to invite people. What do I think about it? Top One. Top One is a great company. Yeah, we've been trading with them without problems. So it's all good. If you have your account there that you enjoy trading, and you find your way, it's all good. I'm not dealing with that one for the moment. With Trader's Lunch, we have all the possibilities and needs existent basically from all the firms that we're partnered with, and we're trading everything, guys. Yeah, the 5-minute can give us a little more choppiness here. I'm not looking for anything wild on the 5-minute short that I went into. I just think that this is not going to be easy for them to be protecting it, right? That's not going to be easy for them to protect it unless there is a spike in the price action quickly. That's level. It's not going to be easy to be protected for them in the way this whole thing looks like. So as soon as I see weakness and we're having a short, and that's great for me, I'm gonna go trailing because it's obviously dangerous for a spike towards yesterday high. Yeah, 956 is not a big deal at all. No. Welcome, Jake. Welcome, everyone. Good to see you guys. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Yeah, Blue Sky is very good. Here's the link for those of you that are needing Blue Sky. The business lens. Give it a try, the code. Do not go big caps, no caps. Oh, here's the volume spike. I'm gonna put a stop loss at the end of the candle. On Lucid it works normally. Give it a try again, the business lens. But do not do caps. Turn off the caps. It works. I sold partially, accepted $100 loss there. I'll do the same thing here. Yeah, I'm fully out. Fully out. 268, 257 on the other side. Not a problem at all. We're taking the loss. We're taking the loss. The danger of a breakout here is substantial. The 15-minute is nuts. Is nuts for the upside. Remember, guys, we're doing the giveaways randomly. Oh, look at that red candle coming through. Damn. So that fake push liquidity spike. Oh. What have you done? Have a good day, buddy. Enjoy your time. Have a good time. Wow. Testing out a little long here. Same story for my FundedSeat. I like the buying pressure. I like that protection. And I'm aiming just a few points for the upside. Nothing special, nothing wild. Oh my gosh. All the way back. Gotta get out of this, guys. Yeah. Gotta take the loss. Yeah. This candle here is not speaking my language for longs. Wow. Yeah. I'm testing out for a short, guys. If they're gonna be nasty, I'll be out. Nothing against. I'll just simply be out of this silly price action if they're gonna be nasty. And that's what it looks like. Nah. Yeah, we got subbed out on both sides. Lovely. How rarely this is happening, guys. How rarely. I would say extremely rarely for this time. London session. I'm happy to take losses in this case scenarios. These are the losses that I want to have. I don't want to have the other losses that are major and uncontrollable. Not a bad start. You want to chill out, Space Jam. You want to chill out, buddy. Propel accounts do not. No activation. No. Propel without. Right? Active trader. So for Propel, the code is Scrembo30. Here's the link to sign up. I'm going to test it out, Business Lens, right now. Can you do a screenshot and put it on Discord, on the main group here? But I'm gonna double check and verify the business lens. Let me verify. Here's our Lucid daily account. Still I'm verifying what's happening with Lucid. It works. Business Lens, it works on my side. I just tested. Yeah. I'll check out. I'll verify that after the stream, buddy. Yep. Good morning, good day. Auto liquidate threshold here is 150 and $100. So we are having a static drawdown on my Lucid daily. We made yesterday a ton. Let me show you. Caps off, buddy. You want to turn your caps. Here's the account, guys. Here's the account on the Lucid dashboard. Funded daily, exactly. This is how we traded. This is the funded stage. 1,400 first day, 4,300 yesterday. We passed this evaluation in 2 days. And we bought it on Friday. Done 50% of consistency on Friday. Done 50% of the consistency on Monday. Upgraded the account to funded stage on Monday, just in a few minutes. Done 1,400 in the funded stage on the same day, Monday. And then done yesterday 4,300. So if you do the math, between the time I bought it and the time I reached to payout level is Friday, Monday, Tuesday. 3 days. 3 days. Payout level. The account is having 155,741. The buffer is 4,600. It's your max loss plus $100, right? Well, static drawdown on Lucid because I build the balance to the buffer stage. When you build it to the buffer stage, which is equivalent with max loss value plus $100, then your drawdown becomes static. Right, so 3 days, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, from evaluation purchased to payout, we can already take out anything above 4,600. And I've done the math, is 1,100. Nevada. It's going to be an interesting experience, but you're going to be able to resume trading those at some point. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Appreciate it. Yeah, we can certainly do better. We're having the first giveaway starting soon. And you know the participation rules. You also want to fill up the form, guys. Domi, we can talk about it. So, depends how you get to that page. Depends how you get to that stage of daily payouts. The Blusky daily payouts have a weekly cap. Domi, let me show you. Frequently asked questions, let me share with you. So they have a weekly cap on Blusky, weekly cap. You have daily payouts. That's right. Let me see, where's the article? Here's the article. 7-day payout cap. Right? Depending on the account size. I got my 200k static. I can take out 2,500 per week. With Lucid, you don't have that, buddy. With Lucid, you can take out 5 grand daily. Right? So it is different. It is different. So you can have daily payouts, you don't have consistency above the buffer on Blusky, that's fine, but you have a 7-day payout cap. You can request payouts daily, obviously till you accumulate your 7-day payout cap. And this is counted 7 days from your, first payout. Here's our Discord link. We're not using any other website right now. Here's the Discord link, guys. So I cashed out from, let me share with you guys, on Blusky from my account. And finally the short, the whole idea with the shorts played out nicely, but they had to do a few extra 1-minute green candle simulating danger. Look at it, this one and the other one, guys. Those 2 green candles are the cause and the source of my red P&L for the moment. Those 2 green candles, my theory was about shorting it. And then we got messed up by those 2 green candles. Not an issue. Not an issue because this thing is not really happening that often. Back to my Blusky explanation. So we have the funded account. And here's what you want to look at. Here's the net P&L. We cashed out 2,200. That's the withdrawal. First day, second day above the buffer. We cashed out after the second day 2,200. We made yesterday 3,400, right? Today we're still in a loss. But we cashed out 2,200 and we have basically a, 2,500 for 7 day. Which means that I cashed out, what was the date here? On the 30. Yeah, on the 30. Thursday. Which means till tomorrow on the 6th. No, it's not 30. It's on the 3rd. It's on the 3rd. Yeah, 3rd of August. Yeah, which is Monday. Monday. That's the date, Monday. We cashed out on Monday, which means till next Monday, till the 10th, we can take out. So we cashed out 2,200, we can take out another 300 in the 7 days. But then starting from next Monday, from the 10th, we have our cap reset back to 2,500. Not an issue. Not an issue. But the Lucid daily? We got some fresh evaluations for Lucid daily. We have 4 funded accounts, 1 daily and 3 flexes, and I'm working towards having my 5th funded with a daily. We got a few 150k evaluations and a few 50k. We're gonna test both. Thank you so much, guys. First giveaway will happen in 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes for the first giveaway. Two minutes for the first giveaway. 90% of the accounts that I'm trading, if the company is having it, is 150,000. With Blusky, we trade 200k static propel. I'm not into the 50k ones that much. How many evaluations do we lose? In the past 2-3 months, we have not been aggressive at all on the evaluation. We've been taking our time, and for example, with this Lucid daily that we have, we bought 3 accounts on Friday. 1 got funded, it's already 155 grand. The other 2 touched daily stop loss, but they're not lost. So even if we lose the other 2, we would still have a 33% confirmation rate from the purchase to the payout stage, which is very good, very good. Good morning, welcome. The big one, good morning, buddy. The big one is not $500,000 because we were not trading it yesterday, only for 290 bucks. We were basically making the minimum needed for the payout. But I guess, here's the performance. 293. I guess we have 456, and this month we should be able to touch $500,000 here. Exactly. I don't have a daily stop loss limit. I don't have that. There's nothing fixed. It's everything dynamic. Everything's dynamic based on the way the markets communicate, and I'm constantly adjusting my thoughts and decisions to that. There's no way I'm gonna be fixed towards a dynamic condition. It's not working for me. It's an inferior decision for me and less of a performance. How many contracts do you usually? Well, with Lucid, we usually go between 5 to 10 minis. On the other accounts, 15, 20, 30 micros, you know, variety. Depends on what you're trading, how you're trading, what's the purpose, what's the market condition, what day is it. All these things are contributing to what's the balance, what's the buffer, what's the target, how is your trading form. Everything contributes to the sizing. Micros supposed to be better for flexibility, for adjusting trades and losses. Minis for me work nicely because I have a quite accurate entries, and I'm going one shot, hitting my target in the day with the minis in my first trade. It happens most of the time, and I'm out for that one. So even when I do 10 minis, I go for the 4,500 target directly. With micros, we had a good time touching payouts on many props with micros as well because of the micromanagement possibility. So DCA out in a loss, DCA back, recover a lot easier. That flexibility can be turned in your advantage. It's not necessarily bringing an advantage, not necessarily. There's space for mistakes when you have the ability to act, and the micros give you that environment where you can continuously be greedy on complete DCAing and hoping it recovers, right? So micros do have certain disadvantages when that comes in. Yeah. All right, guys, time for the first giveaway. Time for the first giveaway of the show. What do we need? What do we got to do? Well, we need a wheel. We need a wheel. What are we sharing the first giveaway? Yeah. 3 accounts of 50K from Blusky. That's what we're sharing the first giveaway. 3 accounts of 50K from Blusky. What you gotta do to participate? Well, shilling. You have to complete the form, like the video, be subscribed, and join my Discord. These are the participation conditions. Participation conditions, guys. We're having 200 people and 135 likes. Which means there's about 70 guys that will not receive the accounts if winning. It's simple. I'll give you another 5 seconds. Haven't you traded 12AC Blusky? You should have traded already. We got a static drawdown accounts. Static. Double 0, double 1, double 2. We can start right now. Let me know your best choice. Let me know your best choice. Double 0, double 1, double 2. Yeah, that would not be bad, Mr. Knife. That would not be bad. Oh, you're watching the wrong screen, guys. Double 0, double 1, double 2. Let me know your best choice. Come on. This is the first giveaway. We're having a few more. A few more. Market opens in 22 minutes. All right, guys, you want to stop right there. Shuffle. Let's go. Number 2 club, what do you guys think about? Number 2 club. Is the red number 2 going to be? That's the only chance for number 2, guys. Is your red number 2 going to come up? Look at that. I told ya. This is so rigged, guys. This is so rigged. No way. That's what they would say. This is so rigged. Vamos. Cheers, everyone. Cheers. Congratulations. Stephen Campo, you're going to be informed the way it works. Ha 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 ha. Tadai. So here we are with a number 2. Here we are with a number 2, 54 winners. Wow. I'll take you 30 seconds competition time, guys. Look at that. Start right there. Best of luck, everyone. The forum is pretty much everywhere. Discord. And it's always pinned in the chat. Top 3 is going to win top 3. Michelle Benitez. Look at that. Michelle is winning. Trading PQ and Desire Menezes. Look at that. Top 3. Congratulations. 12VC, you're used to things that are rigged because you're Italian, right? Michelle, corruption. Look at that. Michelle, you got this one. Michelle, congratulations. Congratulations. Trading PQ3. Oh, there you go. You're right there. Congratulations. And then Desire, there you go. You got this one, 50,000 blue sky to your pockets. Congratulations. Continuing our trading, continuing. The next giveaway is going to be Lucid. The next giveaway is going to be Lucid. Which will happen soon. Which will happen soon. What a choppy system here. What a choppy system. Yeah. Have a good one, guys. Thank you. And congratulations for the winners. You've got it right. Wow. This is so hard to be traded here, guys. So hard. The risk of touching yesterday's high or pumping to today's high is heavy. Just like the risk of triggering supply pressure is pretty much the same. Nah. Really hard spot to trade. Really hard. So at this very time, being flat is a strong position. Exact. Yeah, I'm gonna trade some evaluations too, Lucid Daily. But not under this conditions. I want to see some rejections coming through. I'm testing a short here, guys. Yeah. I'm testing a short here. I'm a little late for my Lucid. I wanted to short my Lucid as well, but I'm a little late. Let's make some good money. We're short on Blusky, short on FundedSeat. Now is the time I'm going to short it on my Lucid as well. 2 minis. Yeah, I'm testing the waters, guys. 2 minutes short here. Testing the waters. I want to have my first bout on Lucid daily. 5,000. We're doing next giveaways soon, randomly. Oh. I like it. We're gonna take that 917. Do some lovely take profit here. Around the 20s. Do some take profit for FundedSeat around the 20s too. Random clicking, making money. Easy trades. Easy. Just a little deeper, my friend. The next candle is gonna take that. I don't want to see here a rejection. I'm gonna stop loss break even. Stop loss break even, guys. If they reject it. Profit trailing here. Profit trailing. Profit trailing. Profit trailing. Come on, come on. Hit that little target there. There's no way they're gonna double reject here without touching my green line. There's no way. Oh. Oh. You want me to be out? I'm out here. I'm out over here as well. And I'm gonna be out on my Lucid too. $433. You know, that's a good for a pizza. Good for pizza. We can take this money out. 433. We're adding on top of that, it's daily payouts. Remember, daily payouts. So we're treating this like it would be a personal funded account. Oh, I can walk my way to the bank. Look at that. Nicely recovering on the blue sky. Nicely recovering on the other side too. It is celebration time. We got pizzas. That was a beautiful short, wasn't it? That was a beautiful short. We had to cut it. We had to cut it. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Appreciated. Keep in mind, we are printing like a machine. Yeah. $433. That's where we do 90% of the money on London. The pattern is still here doing nasty things. Look at that. Acting choppy, making sure you guys lose your balance before the movement starts. We couldn't risk the money we had to snap it. We couldn't risk the profits. Those needed to be secured. We were down on P&L. Yeah. $880s is not a bad idea. I have Lucid funded accounts. If not VWAP, but then the algo 895. The next significant move is going to be brought by the 5-minute algo, which happens quite soon. The only way number 2 is not going to come out if we... The only way it's not going to come out is by not having it. I have 4 funded at the moment. 1 Lucid daily, which is already payout stage, with daily payouts and my drawdown is static. And 3 flexes. 2 big belly of that. So we're fine. Strike. Oh yeah. It's not going to be an easy opening, I can tell you, from the way things were running here for the past few hours. Look at that. No. We are waiting, or we're waiting. The next giveaway starts soon, guys, with the Lucid. The next giveaway starts soon with the Lucid. I'll remind you. Well, oh, look at that. You know, I'm testing along here. Call me crazy, I'm testing along here, guys. Yeah. For my Blusky. And I'm doing the same thing for my... FundedSeat. And the same thing for my Lucid. 2 minis long. Call me crazy, as I said. Call me crazy. We touch the algo. We touch the algo. And we might front run all the guys waiting for the VWAP. That liquidity might come a little later. A little later. Look at that. Look at that lovely money and juice. And I think that lovely money and juice is also on my Lucid account. Oh yeah. It is printing. $90, $100, that's another pizza, guys. Look at that. It's daily payouts. Now I'll take the low. This is a place, the reason I got in here, it is a place of retail stop losses. That's why I got in here. This is a place of users putting stop losses. That's why I got in here in a long. Stop losses of longs. Right, so this is the place they put the stop losses for longs. I got in a long. It will depend on the algo soon. The algo can give me 20-30 points. Maybe on Friday we do some reversals, but I don't know about today. I think before any reversal, there's going to be some distribution going around. This is a silly candle we just had, but I'm going to leave it open. The 5-minute algo starts soon, guys. And they're looking forward scaring me out. Look at that. They're looking forward scaring me out of this. Oh, yeah. Why would you? Why would you do this? The algo starts soon, and I'm running longs. Let's see if this was a spot for longs to be stopped out. H7 is good, but that's 35 points away from me. Oh yeah, a few seconds and the algo starts. Should I DCA more? No. I'm not gonna. Oh, lovely, lovely. And I'm out here for my funded seat. I'm gonna be out for my Blue Sky. And I'm gonna be out for my Lucid. I'm gonna be out. There you go. $500 out. We're 991 profit. That's what it is, guys. That's what it is. Time for the fireworks. We're longing the place they put their stop losses for longs. That's what we're longing. Oh my gosh. So I told you, call me crazy. Call me crazy. I'm doing my theories and I'm making money. Time for the Lucid giveaway. Come on. Time for the Lucid giveaway. The very moment looks like about to drop. Reverses and makes money. Recovered on Blue Sky fully. We're up 11 bucks. And we're still down 270 on FundedSeat, but we're down 1,700. And we're up 991. 991 on Lucid. Time to do the giveaways. Come on, guys. What do we need? We need the wheel. We need the ducks. Oh, yeah. And we need a formula. As usually, you gotta fill up the form, like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. Absolutely mandatory conditions to participate. You're not doing this, you're not receiving the account. You can cry, you can do whatever you want. Tremble, reach out, blackmail, contact the prop firms, reach out to your president, whatever. Has zero value. So watch out for the numbers. We're gonna do this thing, guys. You don't want number 2. So I'm going to give you a single number 2 on the wheel. We're going to have double 5 and a single 7. You can start right now. No crying in casino. You know that's a rule. In the casino, if you get in, you know crying. Single 2, double 5, single 7. We got to finish the giveaway before the New York session rings the bell. Look at a 12 AC, is conservative, is going number 5, right? So he's no longer feeling the risk. All the way, all the way. All the way, ups and down, printing money. Oh. Look at that heavy pump. Oh. All right, guys, so you want to stop right there. Shuffle, we're good to go. Come on, we got to do this quickly. The market opens soon. We got to do this quickly. Come on, come on. A Lucid 50,000, Lucid Flex 50,000. That's going to be number 5 with yellow. Congratulations for the winners. That's number 5. So you see it's not rigged with 2. Nah, we're not rigged. We're not always rigged. Congratulations. A ton with number 5. A ton. Look at that. 80 players. 80. Where's the duck? How many seconds do we have? 40 seconds. Alright, so let's do this. Let's put 20 seconds competition time. You know who's winning? Rank number 5. So we had number 5 coming up. Rank number 5 is winning. Rank number 5 is winning the 50,000 Lucid, bro. Rank number 5. NPC World, you're winning the wrong race, buddy. Boom. Olo. Olo is the winner. Look at that. Olo with Randy. With FirmFOMC next. Market opens. Let me ring the bell first, guys, and then verify for the winner. Look at that pump. That's what they did. Oops. Let's verify for the winner. Olo is here. Congratulations. Kim, 3rd. Ah. Continuing, guys, with our trading. Wow, we managed to do a new high. We managed to do a new high. But we were not breaking above 30,000, remember. Not yet. Someone could say. Testing a little long here. 10 micros. Stop loss, trailing profit. Target slightly above 30,000. Trailing profit touched, re-entering my long. Stop loss, trailing profit. Target slightly above 30,000 for our FundedSeat. We touch it. Rebuying in my long here. 5 contracts. 10. Can we get a take profit slightly above 30,000? I'm gonna be out otherwise. Oh, what a nasty movement. Oh. You gotta slow down a little bit with this directional market. You need a better reading. You need a better reading there. I'm gonna long my 2 minis Lucid as soon as the new candle opens. I am trailing profit. I am basically 600 bucks let me share with you quickly. Come on. I am 700. Oh, there you go. I'm 1,000 profit. Beautiful, guys. 1,839. Look at that. This is total madness. 1,839, guys, for our Lucid daily. Oh. Lucid daily with daily payouts. Whatever is above the buffer, we can cash it out. How much is, guys? How much is that? I'm going with the next candle to be green as well. Yeah. I don't like this for the moment. I'm not touching it, but let me do the math. Anything that's above 4,600, which is the buffer, what's above 4,600? It is almost 3,000 bucks. We're shy by 20 bucks. Almost $3,000. Yeah, I'm gonna long it. I'm longing 2 minis here. Oh yeah, call me crazy, longing the top. Call me crazy quickly, longing the top, guys. But see how this red candle might disappear. Might disappear. I'm out here. $600. There you go, 2,400. Look at that. Where's the red candle? Fully disappearing. There you go, guys. And 12AC is worried that S&P is dropping and we're banking profit. 2,400. Celebration time. Celebration time. Damn profits. Look at that. 158, 138. Well, we haven't cashed out yesterday. We haven't cashed out yesterday. How much can we cash out today? We have 8,138, right? Minus 4,600, which is the buffer. We can cash out $3,538, guys. From an account we bought on Friday, and we needed to pass evaluations of 2 days. Think about it. You can already take out 3,538. This is Lucid Daily. Lucid Daily. Oh. Damn profits. 3,538. Should I take this money out or go for 5,000? Let me ask you, Chad. Oh, wow. Look at the drop. Look at the drop. I'm starting a pool. Let me know what you guys think. Look at the drop. I'm asking you in the pool, guys. Let me know what you think about this. No, this is not a situation to long it. This is a situation to short it. I'm shorting it. 2 minutes short, guys. Yeah, watch out. I'm going to short it on my other accounts too. FundedSeat, for example. Blusky. I'm still waiting on your votes, guys. We only had 25 people voting so far. I've shorted pretty much everywhere. If this is going back up, that's the nastiest thing. It's the nastiest thing ever seen. No. That would be the nastiest thing ever seen, guys. Look at the candlesticks here. Oh my gosh. 190 points movement here. What is this, guys? That would be the nastiest thing, guys. Nastiest thing. Oh, I'm still chilling here in my short from the lows. I'm still chilling here. Not really enjoying what I see for the moment. That's the nastiest thing. And it's ripping. Look at that. I have to get out. Wow. Big losses pretty much everywhere. Yeah. I sold down. Let me see what we can do here. Is it want to come back? We exited from our shorts on the other accounts. What about this one? We're going to take a loss. Yeah. 1,285 loss. We're back to buffer. No payout. 3,000, what was it? 3,538 5 minutes ago. I could have pushed the button. Now, nothing. Wow. Now these are the these are the candlesticks we have here. Unbelievable. Yeah. Certainly not expecting after that strong red candle on the 1 minute not to print anything with that whole momentum we had. With that whole momentum we had. $3,500. Yeah. Jam. $3,000 on Blue Sky. I mean, the account is still above the buffer here, 186. And 2,000 on FundedSeat. We still have 3 grand here. Wow. Nah. We're ripping, guys. We're ripping. We have 2,850 points, and this is continuing on total madness. Look at that. This is what you have. You want to see the weekly candle? Unbelievable. How hard is to long this, and how impossible is to short it. What a ripoff, yeah. Well, DRC, the FundedSeat Daily Ultra is having end of the day. So if we have the ability to compare, that would be the choice. I'm going to trade my FundedSeat Daily Ultra account soon. I have 4 evaluations. Look at that. Damn. Not an easy moment with this price action. There's nothing to touch right now. Obviously thinking about a scalping part, but it is hardly predictable up here. Look at that. 30 points getting bought up fully. Yeah. No. But not to have anything after this red candle and totally starting the whole domination with it is just nuts. It's just nuts. $2,200 points. And we're going to have a few more thousands. I'm testing a short here, guys. I'm short pretty much everywhere, including on my Lucid. But we gotta secure the profit here. You never know when the volume spike appears. There's no way I can be greedy with shorts and this continuous pump. Even if the market drops 80 points right now. Look at that. We have a daily stop loss limit, 2,500. Touched on FundedSeat. Thank you. And then totally reversing. 3 minutes short. So it just wiped me out on my silly FundedSeat. Daily stop loss. I mean, not an issue there. Let me start a copy trader. Turn it on my copy trader. For my ultra accounts. I've shorted for my ultra, FundedSeat ultra evaluations where we made 2,000 our first day. We're trying to do 2,000 again. Look at that one, guys. All the way back to 30,000. Oh my gosh. Will this rejection hold? Will this supply deliver on the 50s? We have 3 minutes short. From my Lucid daily as well. We're down 2,000 here, and this is not looking good at all. Yeah, daily stop loss hit on my Lucid daily, 2,700. Basically, from being 3,500 ready for payout, we're $3,000 away from the buffer right now. The whole thing got smashed. The whole thing got smashed. Wrecked. Yeah. The whole thing got smashed. At least we're not going to have a trailing. Drawdown. I'm waiting for this 2,000 here. Oh. Yes, we touched the target. Ha 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 ha. $2,000 copy traded on FundedSeat, guys. That's just nuts. We also made a ton of money, guys, on other accounts that I'm trading here. You gotta see that. 5,400. Oh my gosh. 5,400. And let me tell you on which account. We have the big belly shorts going around. We have the big belly shorts. But we made 5,475 on a Lucid daily evaluation. We gotta lose 1,000. But we made a ton with this, and I'm still holding on my shorts, so I'm very happy about this. Blusky, come on, make some money. The trade is still active, and I'm holding it. Yeah, I'm holding it. Come on. That's the name of the game, guys. That's the name of the game, not sitting. Not sitting on the right side for a few seconds, for a few trades, but then we're hitting the nail. Yeah, I'm still holding around this. We touched the target on FundedSeat 2,000. Oh. So we need 2,000 more, and we're going to have 2 accounts from FundedSeat Daily Ultra funded. Let me select the other copy trader and trade the other 2 accounts. Look at this one, guys. We got to lose 1,000 here. This is an evaluation. Yeah. It's actually the Lucid that needed. Still waiting. I'm gonna trail for my big belly here. The starting point of this one, I'm trailing there. The starting point of this current candle, I'm trailing. Trailing for my Blusky too. Beautiful. $8,600 on the big belly accounts. Profits. And some good money for my Blusky too. Celebration time, guys. Celebration. About what? $600 on my Blusky. Boom. Let's trade the other 2 FundedSeat Ultra. Testing along here for the other FundedSeat Ultra. There you go. Come on, guys. All the way up to 40s. I'm deleting my break-even stop loss from here. I should not forget we gotta lose 1,000 on my Lucid. Damn, look at that. Oh. There you go. Almost target. Almost. No way we're going to reverse from here. Are we? Are we reversing from here? The target has not been touched by what? No way. No way they're reversing on me from here. Yes, so they're not moving you into live till you take out $100,000 from your account. From all your accounts together. That's what they say. You first want to cash out $100,000. So they're not going to limit you on number of payouts or anything like that. Yeah. We've got PMI. Damn, we were so close hitting the target there. I'm risking a lot here. We got in along, guys, for my Lucid Daily Fresh account. 10 minis. Lucid Daily Fresh. This one. 10 minis, Lucid Daily Fresh. It has a 2,700 daily loss. We're targeting 4,500. Come on, guys. Push. 10 minis, Lucid Daily, fresh account, fresh evaluation. Give me that. Come on, guys. Push. A little more. Nah. Where is the strength, guys? Where is the strength? Oh, yes. 4,500 Lucid Daily. 50% made today, guys. Look at that. What's happening here? We touched the target, guys. We've DCA'd. We've DCA'd on my FundedSeat. We touched the target. 1,900. Look at that. All 4 FundedSeat Ultra made 2,000 today. All the 4. We are in a very good situation with them. Look at that. Very, very good situation with that one. Believe it or not, $9,000 on the big belly. Come on, guys. Let's make some good money. $10,000. Let me get out of this before the news take all these things away from me. $18,000 profit from here. 18,900 on the other side. We are 475, guys. Celebration time. 475. This is nuts. This is nuts. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Now I'm waiting for some volatility. Oh, thank you, Jonathan, for reminding me. I need to lose 1,000 on the other. Here is the account. We got to lose 1,000 on this. But we're not going to... It's a Lucid Daily. We're not going to touch right now. I haven't seen anything red folder, guys. Have you seen anything red folder today? Where's the red folder? We don't have anything red folder. PMI. No, the next red folders are on Friday. So we were supposed to allow to be trade. Ha 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 ha. Oh, oh, oh. No red folder. Oh, look at a drop. 12AC told me to hold it for the long. The whole 10,000 we secured on my Big Belly account would have disappeared. Ha ha ha. Oh my gosh, 12AC. That's why the prop firms are so rich. Ha ha ha. Oh my gosh, he said hold it for another 300 points and we would have lost our $10,000 profit by doing his recommendation. I'm gonna short this one, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna short it. Big Belly. Three minutes ago, he said shorted. Now he said long it for 300 points. And he's going to tell you right now to short it. That's the secret. No, we're gonna make some good money here, guys. But I'm keeping the tab open for the account. I have to lose money. 6,000, 7,000 profit. Oh, look at that. We're $25,000 today on the Big Belly. Ha 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 ha. Oh, I should have shorted on my FundedSeat. Wow. No, I should have shorted on my Blusky. Damn. We still have to lose 1,000 on that Lucid Daily. You guys want to remind me if I'm not losing it. 30,000 profit here. Simple trading. We're touching the VWAP, but we're going lower. Forget about these things, guys. We're going lower. Do not tell me this 5-minute closes like this and the next candle is pushing back 30,050. Don't tell me we don't get a double red candle in a row when this one happens like that with such a momentum. Do not tell me we're not going to 838, 777 today's low and the opening. What do you expect from a day? And respond me to this question. What do you expect from a day which has a daily opening 777? What do you expect? Ah, ah, ah. Oh, Rumbo. Oh, oh, oh. Let's go. How do you call? Too much luck unboarded. Where is it, guys? Wow. Die, die. Die, die. Die, die, come on. Nah, we're gonna sit in this short for a while. Yeah. Now we're gonna sit in this short for a while. And open up shorts everywhere. Yeah, I'm going opening shorts on my Blusky too. Yeah. Look at that one, guys. It's already printing. Die, die. Come on. Let's go, guy. Vamos. Dale. It will. Yeah, we're still doing giveaways. There's no way they are buying this thing up. That's not a low. That's not a low, which is worth to be protected. It's the only thing I'm saying. We've got our 10-minute short. But that's not a low, which is worthy of protection. I don't like this. We got in a short, guys. Lucid daily 50,000. Lucid daily 50,000 short. Fresh account. 1,500 profit. Thank you. Thank you, guys. $50. Don't worry about the face. We're not gonna finish this day red. We made a ton. We still have to lose 1,000 from the other account. Let's not forget about that one, guys. Now I'm gonna DCA here. Yeah, I've DCA'd. Wish me good luck on that. Not looking good. Not looking good. Yeah. Oh. What a strong move, guys. Yesterday's high giving us a strong bounce. Yesterday's high holding on strongly. I've shorted my third funded. The flex we have. Yeah, I know S&P. Maybe it's time to make some space for our Lucid Daily accounts. Keep the 2 big belly and make space for Lucid Daily. We're currently having 3 flexes. If we lose this flex, lovely. If we lose this, we're gonna make space for Lucid Daily. Because I don't have a limit on the payouts. Daily payouts, no consistency, uncapped. Lucid Daily is the best. Yeah, there is a little intraday, but I'm gonna smash through that. $185 profit here. You haven't seen the last video I posted with Lucid Daily. Yeah. So I don't mind losing this funded account. I don't mind losing it. I made a comparison. It's better than Take Profit Trader. Because it's not 80 to 20 payout, it's 90 to 10. And it's not 5 days of trading. It's only 2 for the evaluation. 150% faster. I already shorted this, guys. But this is the Lucid Daily. I don't mind losing this, I can tell you, because I need to have space basically for the Lucid Daily ones. Basically, the big belly accounts are not going to be lost. We have 2 spots secured with that. We can have 3 dailies. But this account is not permitting that because this is a flex. It's funded flex. You know, I'm gonna take another payout from this and then give it away. Once I have a daily to be converted for this spot, right? So it's not worth to give the account away earlier. I'll secure that 2,900. Let me see how many days we have. How many trading days we have for this. We should have quite a few in this cycle. Oh, it's day number 5, so we can go pal. On this one, we made money right now. Look at that one, guys. We have this is the first cycle, and we got paid. That's the cycle I filmed with $15,000. I will publish on YouTube. You can see the video. Then we made 1, 2, 3 in the first cycle, right? In the second cycle, sorry. And then let me share with you for August. 2 more days for August. So totally it's 5 days. 5 days for this. The big bellies are having 5 days as well. I gotta double check that. But I guess we're having 5 days over there for the big belly too. Let me see that. And we're gonna take another round of payouts. 9,000 from this 3 funded. And then blow up this account to make space. Yeah, big belly is all the way just profits. Look at that one, guys. Right, so have not traded on Monday. On 27th, we cashed out. The new cycle starts from 28th. 28, 4 days. No, we're ready for $9,000 payout. I was not even aware. August, 2 more days. So we're 6 days for the big belly, guys. Celebration, we're ready for $9,000 payout on Lucid. Celebration. Yeah. Boom. Actually, we traded 10 minis on the account for the last day. $9,000 pound on Lucid. If I take money from the big bellies too, and I'm gonna take that, guys, 9,000. Yeah. Then I can lose this this account and make some space for Lucid Daily. 9K. Not a bad day overall. Just the only frustration comes with that Lucid Daily. We were 3,800. Ready to hit the button. And I had an extra trade that cost me. I still have to lose that 1,000 bucks, guys. I told you from this Lucid Daily evaluation. Let me trade and lose 1,000. Oh, we can't really long it because that would be hedging. We have to short it. If I short it, we're gonna make money. It's not gonna be good. Although my Blusky trade is still open. Wow. Yeah. Thank you so much for joining, guys. Appreciate it. Stuck in the mud. We still have to lose 500. Yeah. Hitting on your nerves. Look at a 5-minute approach. Do not tell me we're not going to trade below yesterday's high, 956 today. Do not tell me that one, guys, because I'm not going to believe you. If so, I'm going to nicely sit in the shorts here. A day that has the opening on 777 can't be otherwise than a shitty price action. Yesterday high 956. Are we going to trade below that? Well, I would love to. Yeah. On this market, well, no one would expect it to recover at 2,200 points in a few days, what we did. 29,796. Based on Maddie, we'll sweep that. Well, look at this. We're still having our short opened on the Blusky on our buffer account. Sorry, on the funded account. Would be good to have a nice winner here. We cashed out 2,200 from this account, but it would be good to continue cashing out next week. Thank you so much, guys, by the way, for joining. Appreciate it. I still have to lose $500 from this account. And tomorrow, then we will only need 1,500 to pass it. And it's a Lucid daily 150,000 evaluation. Oh, have a look for that one, guys. On our blue sky, 1,200. We've been risking a lot. We've been risking a lot not to exit at this point, because my entry is here, the place I'm encircling. Oh, so we've been holding through that situations of choppy environment around the 20s, and we're having a $2,000 loss unrealized there. It was tough. But I'm thinking about shorts, possibility of continuation here. Look at that. We get another reaction from yesterday's high. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Will it resist? Nah. Looks like it's not resisting. Looks like it is not resisting. The VWAP is there. Around a 37. Lovely money, lovely money. I am basically selling a few contracts. Yeah, we have to. It's the VWAP there. I don't want this thing for a bouncing. Oh yeah. I'm gonna trail profit trail. Yeah, I'm profit trading here. Beautiful, guys. We're down 967 and we're back to 5,456. That's a huge winner for this account because this is running on daily payouts and no consistency. It's a 200k propel static. Shorts are still active on the big belly accounts, making $12,000. What is it here for the outcome? We're having $32,000 profit. Yeah, I'm still holding on my short. Yeah. I no longer believe in the bulls. Yeah. Equal size body candlesticks. Continuously putting pressure is a bad sign for the bulls. Look at that one. We have accelerated. We're at 36 grand here, guys. Yes, more giveaways today. Yes, yes, yes. We still have to do $100,000. We always finish at the end. Wondering about here. I'm wondering. Yeah, I'm wondering. I only sold 2 contracts. But this is crazy, guys. Look at that. This is crazy. Have a look at this protection. And explain me this, guys. Explain me that VWAP in yesterday's high. Explain me this. Explain me that. I'm fully out of this positions. 25 grand profit. 25 grand, 800. Unbelievable the way it bounced. Unbelievable. We cashed out so far $28,000 from this since we're running the big belly. 27. A round of 15, a round of 12. I've closed it on a nice profit, but I didn't expect it as such a strong move. That's just wild. Look at that. Algo line is dumping 987, which speaks for the dynamic swing entered VWAP. Oh yeah. Look at that. Damn silly price action. Wow. Yeah. Our last $100,000 will be done soon in giveaways. Crazy. Crazy pressure. Yeah, I'm logging this. Testing the waters. I'm also long on my FundedSeat. Yep. It is. Building back on profits. Building back on oh. This is just crazy, guy. Look at that. As soon as you're about to flip around and get some protection, market reverses. Unbelievable. I'm a little exposed here for this account on Blusky. It's not needed. Yeah, I'm out for my Blusky. I'm gonna sit in a nice profit there. Not essentially for today's performance, but overall the account is 3,000 buffer, right? So anything above the buffer we can cash out up to the cap. We've hit the cap and we have trading going on till Monday. Monday is going to be the next day I can cash out from here, so we have a lot of the time to build for the cap. Yeah, look at this. Probably accept the loss on my Lucid Big Belly accounts too. Yeah, I'll accept the loss here. Yeah. 22 grand profit. One minute wants to go lower, so I'm testing the waters. We'll see. 1 minute wants to go lower. I'm testing the waters. Beautiful. Beautiful, guys. Yeah, we're doing the ducks soon. $5,000, $6,000, lovely. We have not opened this trade on Blue Sky. Finally. Oh, yeah. Back to 30,000 profit for today here. That's the name of the game. Accepting the loss with the long we had and jumping into shorts. Beautiful. Beautiful, guys. 10,000 profit for this trade. I'm still holding it. 32,000 overall. I'm not trusting that revert. Oh, beautiful. I'm out here on Blue Sky. We managed to do $900 on Blue Sky. We shorted, guys. At the opening time of the candle, we're 1,278. We were 2,000 plus. At the opening time of the candle, we shorted. Right, so we're making money on, yeah, on the big belly. I'm trailing. Here. Profit trailing. Made that 1,000. Yeah, so when they buy up so quickly in a bearish momentum, but right before the candle closes, they buy it up to show you a wick, right? A shadow. That could be a nice fake signal, a price action model fake signal, basically, of reversal. You have a bearish context, and suddenly, before the candlestick closes, they buy a big chunk of that candle, reversing it, showing a rejection. But that happens right before the candle closes, right? So then, some of the guys, some of the nice fellas, see the rejection, see the bull stepping in, and they say, well, a reversal moment. No. No. It's not reversal moment. I'm trailing my way here, and as soon as this candle receives rejection, I'm gonna... yeah, I'm gonna trail. I'm trailing at the top of it. Trailing at the top of it. Yeah, beautiful. Trailing hit, not a problem. $31,000, 487. I'm calling it a day. Yeah. I'm calling it a day. Down here, 1,278. We have 5,100. We're able to take max payout by Monday. We just have to do another 350 bucks. Calling it a day, guys. Oh, look at that rejection. Markets might be going for a little bounce. 31,000. Hell of a day. But a very, very important performance has been achieved on my 4 FundedSeat Ultra accounts. Because we managed to do 2,000 again. And we got 2 accounts, $2,000 away from becoming funded. You know what that means? That means we're going to run daily payouts, no consistency. And the cap is $100,000. End of the day. Right, so the Lucid daily model, but with end of the day with FundedSeat. Here's the link, guys. 50% off to use a Scrembo code. Let's go, Badger. Are you requesting 10 more points downwards? Downwards? Yeah. It could be exhausting in such a day. It could be. No wondering. But I'm closing out on Quant Tower. Alright guys, so time for the last $100,000 in giveaways. Time for the last $100,000. Yeah, you got something right now, Badger. I think you got your target. I think you got your target, Badger. Time for the last giveaway today. We're doing 100K in this one. First account is a Top 1 Futures. $25,000 Top 1 Futures. Instant funded. End of the day drawdown. 25,000 FundedSeat. Flex. 50,000 YRM. These are the three accounts we're sharing, totally 100 grand in this one, and we already shared 200 more. As you know, starting by this week, the giveaways are done randomly during the live stream. So the way you participate is simple. You have to like the video, be subscribed to this YouTube channel streaming from Monday to Friday, 8:30 AM EST time, and join my Discord. You also want to complete a form and formula, which means the participation. Good stuff, guys. So watch out for numbers. You got to guess the number. Only a single choice per person. Do not guess multiple times. We have a 00 and a 22. Let me know your best choice, guys. Come on. You can start right now. Let's go, guys. Come on. You can start right now. 00, 22. Give me your best choice. Give me your best number. Very good day. Very good day. Except the Lucid daily funded account where we kind of lost a little. And we were having the $3,800 secured for the payout. And I didn't push the button. I traded extra and it's all gone. But on top of that, we got a Lucid Flex accounts, $9,000 payout. I'm going to secure the payout there. I told you I'll push the button, guys. So we secured today 9 grand and we're going to take it. Yeah. Take it. 9K today on Lucid. Stop right there. No more guesses, guys. No more. Shuffle, and here we are. Best of luck, everyone. I think that's going to be number 2 on yellow. Nothing less expected. Number 2 on yellow. Wow. Oh my gosh. We just can't get rid of this number 2, guys. There's something happening. We can't get rid of this. Number 2 on yellow. 118 winners, 30 seconds competition time. Oh, let's do a minute. Top 3 is gonna win. Top 3. Best of luck. Thank you, Fred. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you for showing up. And I wish you a great day. We had a good time. We had a really, really good time. Number 2 coming out for quite a few days in a row. Oh yeah. Keep them going, keep them going. Top 3 is gonna win. The first account is instant funded, 25,000 end of the day drawdown from Tap 1 Futures. Trader 07NQ, look at that. Oh, Mr. Smith. And Trader Prop Mess. Congratulations. Trader 07NQ. Who's coming back? Well, look at that. Trader. Are you here, Trader, buddy? We have a lot of Trader. 007NQ, here you are. Congratulations. Good job, Mr. Smith. Yes, congratulations on your funded seat, 25,000, and then Trader Prop Mess. Another. There you go. Trader Prop Mess as well. Congratulations, guys. Congratulations. You have a 50,000 YRM, buddy. Good job, guys. Quite of an exhausting day. Look at that. Lovely short. Lovely short. That's making money. This is what we were preaching. No surprise. We have 150 points from the time we were preaching on a short here. Thank you once again, guys. Thank you. Yeah, 796. Look at that. Maddie called it. Maddie's been calling 796. Thank you once again, guys. Thank you. Thank you. We had a great time. $9,000 secured on Lucid. It's gonna be smashed. Looking forward to tomorrow. Have a beautiful day. We're continuing.